Good morning all peoples out there. We have a 4 o'clock start this morning. We're about to launch. We've got a couple of good friends on board with us and we're going to go out, chase a couple of snapper, see if we can pick up a few squid and just enjoy ourselves for the day and get fully bent into it. What we'll do is we'll run a whole squid this bait. Normally what I'm doing is running 2 hooks, one with a sliding snell. We'll put the hook in through the hood and bring it back out through the top of the head. And the other hook will stretch and just pin at the very tip so that when it's sitting in the water, everything is natural. And we'll see how we go. Hey, so that was professionally done. It might be cuddly. Oh, look at this. And our friend the cuttlefish. Another little one, but we'll treat him very gently. And there you go. Victorian cuttlefish. Give us a greeting.
Turn around, big fella. Oh, yeah.
Far out. Hey, the joys of squid life. been out there, fully bent on it, living it to the max. Now everyone's home safe, catch is cleaned, sorting out the boat, relaxing for the afternoon, working out where our next adventure's coming. It will not be far away, people. We'll see you soon. Stay safe.